and it is time for Show Us Your Pipe. We are kicking off January with what can only be described as an epic installation. It's actually two parts. We're going live here now to Staten Island, where a co-op in the middle of town representing 5 buildings and 60 units is powered by this very mechanical room here. 16 total units. That's 8 boilers and 8 NPE water heaters, both of which are rack mounted. The water heaters are inline, the boilers are back to back, but both are vented with 8-inch diameter manifold here. So, you know, the large diameter Centrotherm stuff, tethering these all together in a cascade system. Just a beautiful display of professionalism here and efficiency as the boilers and the water heaters both are racked together. You'll see Takeo on this installation, you'll see Webstone on this installation, you'll see Caleffi on this installation, all put together by Champion Combustion out of Staten Island. So, you know, as I was talking with Matt Gritman from Gooding just a little bit ago, getting a little bit more information about this this installation. He said that the tenants of this co-op are complaining. They're complaining it's too hot. These boilers are too functional, and I can imagine that they really actually are. I mean, look at this thing. Every one of these things is neatly tied together here. You know, you'd love to see InnoFlue on the intake, but it is what it is. And I mean, this is just a beautiful, combined, fully understanding of how to efficiently rack all this stuff together to obviously take care of heat and hot water for a lot of people. 60 apartments, you know, I mean, I'm sure there are some people that live alone. There might be some people, you know, family of 5. So hundreds of people, their hot water and their heat are being supplied from this centralized room here. And let's, you know, a great way to finish this up is obviously with the termination, which is a spectacular set of, you know, tees over here. It's just, I'm going to show this video briefly because it's, you know, it rises up maybe 2-3 stories above the window line, and just a great video from Matt at David Gooding. So thanks so much to Champion Combustion, to Takeo, to Webstone, to Caleffi, to Navien, to David Gooding Incorporated, and to Matt Gritman for posting these photos. Champion Combustion, you have won the first Season 3, Episode 1, Show Us Your Pipe challenge here. So thanks again for the professional work, and we'll get Swag Pack out to you real soon.